Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use any browser or browse through App Store on iPhone 14 Pro. So here let's open Google Chrome, try to reach any website, but as you can see there's a problem. Now if we go to App Store and do the same thing, so let's try downloading some apps, for example Snapchat, there's a connection problem. Now let's fix this by going to our settings. Here we want to find the General tab, then Date and Time, and set the time automatically. Enable that setting and now everything should be fixed. As if we try to download any apps on App Store, they should work fine. And the same is with Google Chrome that we were using. As if we open YouTube again, it loads perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.